Welcome to the Organic Hydro Garden Show, where we love to show you around and see our progress on how we started from a seed and how everything's growing, our canning process. We also love to show you how our chickens are doing. We just love all these chickens and Ruru too. We also have some silkies that are very enjoyable to watch as well. So please like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/organichydrogarden. And subscribe to us on Facebook at www.youtube.com/organichydrogarden. And follow us on Twitter under Garden Hydro. So take a look around. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Look at all the traffic in the sky. There was a lot today. In here we planted rhubarb and raspberries. I can't wait for them to really grow and start picking them and canning them. I just love rhubarb. Look at how big they've grown. Oh, I can't wait. Nice and green, everything's coming up perfect. We do keep it under cover to keep all kind of animals out. We don't want rabbits, birds, or squirrels. Nice and tall these green beans have gotten. We put twine up and then I twist the green beans around there so that this way here they have some kind of support once the green beans do start to grow. I can't wait. Beautiful. Oh look, we got company. I guess it's Geico's friend. I just love these guys. They run so fast too. I mean, watch how quickly I zoomed in on him and then poof, he's gone. Well, the gang's all here by the pool and Ruru's watching over his harem. He really takes care of all these chickens. They love that pool. And they're really quiet right now, but usually Ruru starts cock-a-doodle-doodling. Some radishes, which are a root vegetable, and I wanted to see if they would grow in the ground. So far, so good. Silkies are so funny to watch, and they're so pretty. I just love these guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.